Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up charge 2 EVs with Tesla wall connector, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by selecting the installation location for your Tesla wall connector. Ensure the site is near your electrical panel for easier wiring. Gather all necessary tools and materials for the installation. You will need a Tesla wall connector, a circuit breaker, and appropriate wiring. Check local electrical codes and obtain permits if required. Now, turn off power at the main electrical panel. Remove the front cover of the Tesla wall connector. Locate the wiring terminals inside the connector. Connect the ground wire to the designated terminal. Next, connect the line wires to the appropriate terminals. Be sure to follow the color coding for each wire carefully. Secure all connections and ensure they are tight. Replace the front cover of the wall connector. Next, pull the appropriate circuit breaker from your panel. Install the breaker according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Ensure that the breaker matches the wall connector's specifications. Once the circuit breaker is installed, turn the power back on. Verify that the wall connector powers up and the LED indicator lights. Connect your first EV by plugging in the charging cable. Monitor the charging process through the wall connector's app if available. Repeat the process for the second EV, using a separate charging station if needed. Check that both vehicles are charging properly and the indicators are functioning. Regularly inspect the wall connector for any signs of wear or issues. Consider scheduling routine maintenance to ensure optimal performance. Enjoy the convenience of charging 2 EVs simultaneously with your Tesla wall connector. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.